Hi, my name is Sam Workman. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I decided to join Drone Command Live because I want to be able to have a flexible schedule so that I can uh, be there for my kids when they have school activities or just when they need me. Um, Damon and Diego are awesome. They explain things in great detail and very simple terms for people to understand. If you're on the fence about it, I would say just join it. Um, you've got nothing to lose. You get a lot of information. And if at the end of Drone Command Live you're not ready to keep going, you'll still have that information and it's definitely worth it.
Hi, my name is Sam Workman. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I've actually been looking at uh, Drone Command Live for a while now. I've been getting advertisements on Facebook and YouTube for not only Drone Command Live, but for a competitor that advertised that they could teach you about getting into the drone business and getting your pilot license. Well, okay, that's not accurate. The competitor didn't talk about getting into the drone business. He just talked about getting a pilot's license and um, what you need to fly a drone. But so I picked Drone Command Live, and I'm glad I did because I've learned a lot of information. Damon and Diego went over pretty much anything that you could want to go over um, to start your business. And if you guys are sitting on the fence about it, I highly recommend just jumping in, join Drone Command Live. You won't be sorry.